All right, we've got the V100 2.5K dash cam. Mine just came in the mail. I'm super excited about it. The main thing I'm excited is there's always this thing in the back of my mind where I'm like, I hope there's no sort of accident where I wish I would have had a dash cam because it would have helped me. So I'm excited about that. There's also every now and then there's something that happens on a drive and I'm just like, I wish I could, that was on recording and I could go back to it. So I'm excited about this. And I'm going to show you what's inside. So I've already taken stuff out, but here it is. So first things, we got the manuals. We've also got this thing right here we'll be putting on the windshield, which will hold the dash cam in place. I'll be showing you how I do that. We've also got the dash cam itself. As you can see, it's very small, very lightweight. So, you know, which is what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for this big dash cam to take up the entire windshield. I'm just looking for a tiny dash cam. This is tiny. So this is it right here. Then we've got the plug. I forget what this is called, but you know, it plugs into the lighter. Plugs into the you know, where the lighter's at, and then it plugs into the dash cam. And they've also got this tool because most people are not gonna want these wires in their windshield. So this tool, I'm gonna show you how this will work, but basically we'll be able to get the wires so they're not really visible in the car at all. So that's amazing. But super excited about it. Let's install it. All right, so we've got the dash cam all hooked up. I've installed it and everything. It's very, very easy to install. So it's got this adhesive right here, and there's actually two of them. So I've got another one right here, and basically all you do, you peel that off, like you peel that off, and you stick it to the windshield right here. And then you're gonna want to take the dash cam and you peel the film off the top there and stick it there. And so what's amazing about this is you can just easily adjust that for your dashboard. So whatever angle your windshield is at, you can easily adjust it so it catches the right angle. From there, we hooked this into this cigarette adapter, and most people, you use this tool right here, and you basically push the wire back in so it doesn't clog up the windshield, doesn't get in the way of everything. And there's also the app I'll show you in a second, but basically I'm going to turn the car on, not turn the car on, but like just turn it on so you can see, you'll hear it, you actually hear it turn on in a second. Okay, so, and it is already recording right now. It's recording right now. Now, to access the recording, there's an app here. So I've downloaded it. It's called vCar. You open it, and you just hit Connect Camera. That's going to pull up the Wi-Fi network. It's going to be V100 and then something else. So here it is, V100. You click it. It says Wi-Fi is connected. It's connecting right now. There we go. And then we're going to reopen the app. And so as you can see, it's already been recording for the last 44 seconds. Even though we just opened it, it was recording the entire time. And as you can see, it's amazing. And so you can drive with this on your dashboard. I'm excited to drive with it on mine. And if you catch anything, you know, you got it. So